Jason here from Atlantic Knives. Today I'm reviewing the Ruike Ultra Slim Stainless Steel Flipper. This one's model number P108-SF. Done in the full stainless steel body. Has a black backspacer, single-sided stainless steel pocket clip with the blue anodized button. Now guys, the button on the pocket clip makes it really easy in and out of your jeans, saves your pockets. Also has the Beta Plus double lock system. It is a flipper. Very fast, 8.27 inch overall length, 3.46 inch 14C 28N crowd quench steel blade. For your Beta Plus, you simply lock to engage it, slide it back, and you'll be able to close your blade. Nice little flipper by Ruike.